RafterOne is excited to bring Solution in a Box for just subscriptions to the market for Salesforce Commerce customers. This is the only Salesforce Commerce implementation that is completely 100% out of the box. So whether you sell physical goods or subscriptions, Solution in the Box has 4 killer features to get your commerce website deployed in weeks, not months. The first is pixel perfect templates. These are ready to use storefront templates. They're designed for rapid deployment that can also be easily updated. The next is a comprehensive component library. This is where you have those versatile components that can be deployed, whether it's on the homepage, search, product, or the checkout pages. Next is the expansive library for integrations. This is going to dramatically reduce the time it takes to tie together all those back-end systems that are needed for commerce. Things like payment, shipping, inventory, all of those things are tied together. And finally, configuration driven. So you can reduce the time it takes to both implement and configure this framework, all because it's all configuration driven as opposed to using code. With Solution in a Box around subscriptions, RafterOne is redefining what businesses can expect of what is out of the box with Salesforce Commerce. So let's go ahead and take a look at it in action. Here's Solution in a Box in action. So you can come to the subscriptions homepage. This gives you everything you need to know about these subscriptions. They have kind of the good, better, best ability to search with all of the different included items. I can drill into a particular product. Again, this is a custom page that's just designed for subscriptions. So you have the ability to have different pages for physical goods versus subscriptions. As I come down here, I can see details and specs. When I click on the terms, this allows me to have the different add-ons. So what's great about this is you can not only have subscription products, but you can have the different add-ons based on the terms. And again, this is all out of the box. But the real power for subscriptions comes with not purchasing a new one, but amending the existing one. So we're gonna go up here and go to the subscriptions. This is where everything about the subscription is available for the customer. So I can go ahead and auto renew if I wanted to. I could also go here and choose from a number of actions. So I can add additional licenses, I can have an add-on, you could even cancel it. Again, all of this is done declaratively, and all of this is done with clicks, not code, leveraging Salesforce. So you have the ability to add new subscriptions. You also have the ability, and most importantly, to amend those existing subscriptions, because that's where the secret sauce is when it comes to subscriptions. Okay, so this is what the storefront looks like. Let's go ahead and look what the configurator is under the hood for Solution in a Box. Here's where you see the real power of Solution in a Box. So you can go to the configurator, and we can see here that we can style which specific template we want to use, whether it's the Solution in a Box for physical goods and subscriptions, or the one that's just for high-tech subscriptions. You can go here and determine what kind of colors you want, text, font, everything that's going to make it feel like your brand. And the storefront configurator is where you can see the power of subscriptions at work. You can choose which catalog you want to pull from, whether it's B2B, CPQ, or the newly available RLM. You can choose what your pricing engine is, whether it's any of those Salesforce options or something that's external. When it comes to subscription management, you can again choose what's the source of that. Is it B2B? Is it CPQ? Is it RLM? And you can even choose which type of subscriptions you want to be able to do. Do you want to allow people to create, amend, renew, and even auto-renew and have a particular period? So again, back to our Solution in a Box for subscriptions. The cost for this is around $100,000, and it takes around 4 weeks. So we're talking about weeks, not months, to make this be a reality. If you're interested in learning more about Solution in a Box, or you'd like for RafterOne to set up your storefront, leveraging your products, your assets, your brandings, reach out to a RafterOne employee, and we'd love to get you seeing how your company can start leveraging Solution in a Box.